Hi guys, this is Uson Jao. Welcome to my channel. Today, Canva will be our to-go tool. Way back, it was quite hard to actually come up with designs, because I guess you had to do some graphic design. It had to be like this long, tedious process. But now with things like Canva, it is quite easy to use, and especially on desktop. So this is the first dashboard. This is like the first thing you see when you open your Canva on your desktop. The first thing you see is your recent projects. Remember, we were opening that one on your, I think it was on your phone, right? Was it on your phone?
Yes,
Right?
it happened.
Yeah. So it shows you your previous works right there, sample of things that you'd probably want to do presentation. But for now, we're not interested in like all that. We just want to know, how do you actually now come up with pins, and how do you come up with digital products? You have to search what you want. Let's say you want to do some TikTok videos, for example. You just search TikTok, hit enter, and you'll have so many templates in regards to TikTok. We have something to fly, all these things, and it's so easy because Canva has made it easy, because they have already put in place, and your work is just to change the words. So if something like this, let's say a sunset, and like, that really looks good. If I clicked on it, then Canva knows, okay, he wants this design. Before he starts working on it, let us just show him or her more designs. And you can see, as you scroll, you get to see more designs that are in that caliber. So now let's say I wanted to settle this one. I could just hit customize, and with everything on Canva, they consider the fact that, how we write from left to right. Everything you want is always here on the left side. That is more of your control panel, is your left side, this left side, that is. And every time you click on something, you get options of that particular thing here. So if I click on designs, you can see here there are more designs that can appear. Let's say I want a design. Is basically the picture, the wordings, the whole vibe, the everything that you're getting from the image is what is called the design. So if I wanted to switch the design and say, maybe I want something to do with probably fashion, if I hit that, I'll get more templates on fashion. And you don't have to be a graphic designer, because if you just picked one, you can just change the words. If I was to change here and write probably like life is good, it will probably fit the same theme. So that is how you can use Canva. Now, just going back, let's talk about now why we're using it. We're using it so, and you can see this one has saved itself as previous projects. We're using it so that we can know how to come up with digital products. And the digital products it's more of like, it's like a PDF file basically. It has a certain set of things that are, have value to the end user. It might be something on recipes, might be something on working out and everything. So the first thing you do, you search the word booklet. So, and hit enter on your keyboard. Now you can see, these are booklets, but I wanted to be even more specific. I can search food booklet, for example. I don't know why food came in mind, probably because I just ate. So as you can see, we have so many booklets. All these are designs. And another thing I wanted just to talk about Canva, when you see it with a crown at the bottom right, that means that this specific thing is being used, or you can only have it you can use it in Canva in the Pro version, but these ones without, you can use, and there's quite many, so you don't have to worry about as a beginner on how to use it. So let's say I wanted to pick, if I pick something, remember, every time you make a choice, you're given more choices of whatever you see. And when you decide, let's say now you have to make a decision of customize this template. It can be customize this picture, customize this video. If I click on it, I go to the now control panel. Same case scenario, it has arranged itself in a way that, from the left side to the right side. I think the people who designed these apps really took so much into consideration the fact that most people in this world were taught to write from, I guess, the left side to the right side. So you always start the things that you're doing. You always start from the left, and when you're finishing your project and you want to log out, is on the right side. So yeah, so that is the first thing. And let's say we want to come up with a very simple ebook. So what do? Our first things first is to check the analytic tools. What are people doing in our niche? So our journey always starts on Pinterest. I'm hoping you had already logged in. Someone didn't. Okay, let's log in. So, and also this is another advantage. As you can see, this is another advantage of using a desktop version. So we have to now do a couple of settings. First of all, we are online merchants. There is feed flare. We did have a website. I'm trying to remember. Okay, we'll fill up that later. I remember you had made a Linktree link. When it comes, yeah,
Interesting.
yeah, we will create one right now. You can be checking on your phone the Linktree link on your phone.
The fit flare.
Feed flare. Oh, you got Linktree. I don't know. Okay, I don't know how we can go about it, but let me just fill up here and then we add it. Beauty, home fashion, health and fitness, and done. What do you think? Okay, let me ask you a question. What do you think you're so good at in a way that if you just added a little sprinkle of digital marketing, it would blow up? Probably you as a person might be really good at other things. It can be, I don't know, I'm just asking, just curious.
Like in all aspects, I think. Yeah, and do you fit flare?
Feed flare. Yeah, so we have to edit it. We'll put, now here's where we put the link tree. There's a link tree. I don't know if you remember. How was it? I'm trying to think. Let me just go to the browser. You're using the same browser on the phone?
Yes.
Okay, let's try. Find that you're able to come up with, really complex designs. Definitely no to this one. Zima. I don't know if there's something you like, or you can just redo them.
We can continue with this one. That's okay.
Okay. Fit flare. Download. So now that we have this one, so it's sorted out. Now that one is sorted out, now let's go back to Canva. Let me show you how, if someone is green and they want to create digital products, where do they start? They start from the platform that they're trying to sell. You have to know how does the platform, really knows, or how will it guide you in selling something. So you come here, and then we go to something called the Pinterest Trends. When you go to Pinterest Trends, now this gives you access to the data showing you what is trending on this platform. Can start a tour, then just keep. So as you scroll, you can notice we're being told that this is the most fall nails, Halloween nails, fall. So automatically I can just tell it's already fall. We have cool sunglasses. So continue scrolling. You can see this is Halloween has really changed. I think so you can just tell which season it is by looking at the data. You can say like there's so many things. This is the most trendy thing on this platform at the moment. So how do you now, you don't want to work with this, you want to know what is the trending in your niche. So if first of all, if you want something, you don't want growing trends. Yeah, of course you can do growing trends, but you want more of monthly trend since you're trying to do it for a long term. So if you do monthly, you notice it will change. But you even go as far now on the interest. If you scroll just a little bit on the interest, we have a list. Now we're going to pick something like health, and you notice here it has changed. So now you can see that self-care is number 1, healthy eating number 2, carnivore diet, well, never heard of that, number 3. And this is the list of like the latest things. So this is a long list, but it gives you an idea on the niche that you're in, what you can really go about. You can see the mental health is quite a big issue and everything. So first of all, you come here, you scroll up, and you download all this information. You want it in a spreadsheet. That is the first thing. Why do you have to use the analytics? And why did I say the other day that analytics is one of the ways that people are underestimating? Is because you can't just start from zero. You have to use some information, and you get it from the analytics tool in the Pinterest trend. I've already downloaded it. I want to show you like how now we develop it. When you're on your profile, to access the Pinterest trends is just here, and you have the Pinterest trends. That's how you access it. Now we have already downloaded coming back here, we have already downloaded the spreadsheet. What do we do with it? We'll open it. We want this the whole spreadsheet. I know it looks like so much information, but you notice they're only numbers and words. We just need the words, and this is the trends now, the column for trending. I'm trying to expand it. So what you do is highlight all these words. You highlight them. And you copy them. I'm trying to see if copy works.
Just use control.
Yeah, okay. Control C. So now T, right? Okay. I want to see if that information, if I can copy it.